Oh my God. Like when a wine makes you chuckle like that,
Right?
yeah, you don't need words. You don't really have to say anything. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another WTSO unboxing. And today we are opening up what some people would consider to be a classic American wine, Napa Cabernet.
So when did Sauvignon become the American classic?
Wow. Probably due in large part to Robert Mondavi, which I'm sure you've done. Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Oh man,
when we were kids, like the commercials.
Yeah, the Mondavi family was really key in developing California wines.
So you got a little schmutz there.
Yeah, that gunk there, that is the sign of an old wine. Napa has so many different climates within it that they've subdivided that into different zones, and one of them is Atlas Peak, which is where this wine's from. So these are high altitude wines. A lot of people refer to them as mountain wines. And one of the features of Atlas Peak is that it manages to poke up out of the fog layer. So this region actually gets more sunlight, which means the grapes ripen more and they get higher in alcohol. And this winery has been around since 1971, 50 years now that they've been in the business. And this particular Cabernet is a reserve. Reserve typically means that the wine is aged for a longer period of time in oak. In this case, 20 months in French oak. Want to take a peek at the Atlas?
That's right, a peek at the Atlas. Oh, I see what you did there.
So let's taste it.
Well, I beat you to the punch.
Yeah.
I will tell you, I'm excited to see what you're going to think of it.
Oh, it's good?
Oh, it's really good.
Well, I mean, right on the nose, first thing that hits me is like this wallop of like licorice, like a really strong licorice, and black cherry.
Yes, the black cherry is
yeah.
really pushing into things.
Oh my God. Like when a wine makes you chuckle like that,
right?
Yeah, you don't need words. You don't really have to say anything.
You get the wine giggle.
Yeah, but there's a lot of that black fruit in there. Definitely the blueberries, the blackberries, and all the things that you would expect. Definitely some tight oak in there too, from that 20 months in oak aging. Just massive, man. And look at those tears. This is so beautiful.
I know that's a sign of a good wine, but like what exactly are we looking at?
Glycerin and polyphenols.
So that's like the viscosity.
The viscosity of it. So you're looking at a very high alcohol wine. Food pairing. Vegetarians and vegans, I'm sorry, man. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, it's calling for red meat and like a really nice thick tri-tip or filet mignon with that char on the side of it, that bark. Oh my God.
Yep.
You could do like a stuffed portobello probably.
Is that too basic? Is that good? That's good. No, that's good.
No, I mean, like sometimes you got what you got. You're not going hungry. All right, in all seriousness, I can't diss my vegan and vegetarian friends, so we'll give you something. A risotto.
Yeah. Like the mushroom, or you said
truffle.
Oh,
yeah.
God. I'm down.
See, I didn't forget about you guys.
Okay, so the elephant in the room. How much are we talking? What's it cost?
Retail. I was looking on the website, and the website Cobblestone is selling it for $80 a bottle. WTSO offers it for a very nice price. This is an elevated wine. This is up there.
It tastes every bit of it.
Yeah, you can tell. All right, so there's another wonderful wine from our unboxing series. We unboxed a full case of wines, 12 in total, so if you want to see some of those other videos, be sure to go back and watch them. And of course, to buy a beautiful Cabernet Sauvignon like this and many more, you can go over to WTSO.com. Thanks for drinking with me today. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.